Wife said fix it or else, so here are game-changing workshop hacks to save my marriage. Melt a wall plug anchor with your lighter to custom size a driver bit socket. Heat and flatten a PVC pipe using scrap metal tubing inside your vise. Trim off the side tab to fit a screw perfectly inside this anchor plug. Push it into drywall and tighten the bolt so the expanded wings grip tightly. Heat and shape PVC into a flat bracket, then drill a hole on top. Cut a wide slot, mount it up, and boom, instant angle grinder wall holder. Pliers won't turn a large stuck nut. Wedging 2 bolts with a screwdriver creates massive lever torque to unscrew it easily. Mount a wooden block with a metal spring clip to hold your tools. Drill a hole through a bracket and lock it with a metal pin. Slide your axe in safely so my wife doesn't kick me out. Heat a PVC ring inside a vise to squash it completely flat. Drill mounting holes through both sides to turn it into a wall bracket. Screw it onto your wall to organize all your pliers instantly. Cut a small PVC sleeve for your door handle. Screw in an eyelet hook and attach a chain to lock the door top. Now pulling the main handle unleashes an ultra-secure double locking system. Drill through a plastic ring slice and thread copper wire inside. Insert 2 wire ends into the middle, then blast it with heat. Clamp it tight in a vise to create a heavy-duty wire connector. Screw a jar lid underneath your desk or workshop table. Swivel it open to hide memory cards, keys, or your secret stash. Repurpose a wet wipe lid over your outdoor power outlet. Glue it down to keep water out and protect your wall sockets. Fork prongs make the perfect guide for wrapping tie wire tightly around nails. Spin and pull the fork up to create flawless tight coils every time. Don't use grinding discs on wood boards or you'll burn everything down. Swap to a dedicated wood carving blade for super smooth, clean cuts. It slices right through timber like butter with zero kickback. Trimming flooring against uneven, wavy walls? Guide a ball bearing with a marker along the wall curve. Cut along that line for a seamless, gapless custom fit. Draw overlapping semicircles matching the plank width to mark rounded corners. Connect the bottom intersection points to outline your cut angle. Slice along the lines for a perfect flush. 90-degree corner join. Cross 2 bolts inside a broken pipe fitting to create an internal wedge. Lever a screwdriver against them to back out broken threads effortlessly. Clamp a mini bubble level in your drill chuck to level it. Glue a bubble level straight onto the back casing of your drill. Now every hole you drill into the wall stays perfectly straight. Quickly adjust the drill angle and lock that carbide bit in tight. Fire up the drill and grind the tip down into a sharp point. Hit it with the blowtorch to heat temper that sucker up. Once the metal shifts color, dunk it fast in water to quench it. This simple heat treatment turns your bit into an indestructible punch. Mark your drill spot on steel so your bit never slips away again. Tired of your heavy appliances wobbling around? Check out this insane lifting trick. Grab a standard bar clamp, slice off the extra plastic guard, and modify it. Now you've got a heavy-duty jack to crank up any furniture effortlessly. Don't risk your life on a shaky ladder just to swap a high-ceiling light bulb. Tack a plastic bottle onto a pole, secure it with rubber bands, and unscrew it safely from the floor. Want ambiance lighting? Stretch a green balloon right over your LED bulb. Screw it back in and boom. Instant mood lighting without spending a dime. Need a custom water dispenser on a tight budget? Drill a clean hole in a big jug. Pop in a threaded valve, tighten it down with rubber washers, and seal the threads with Teflon tape. Attach your spigot, fill it up, and you've got smooth, fresh water on tap anytime. Turn your angle grinder into a monster weed whacker. Pop off the locking flange ring. Thread tough trimmer line through the holes, lock the disc back on, and tighten it down real snug. Fire it up and shred through stubborn garden weeds like an absolute boss. Make an aerated faucet cap using a bottle top, a piece of sponge, and a balloon. Poke holes in the cap, tuck the sponge inside, wrap the balloon over it, and trim the excess. Slip it onto your tap for a splash-free, super smooth water flow instantly. Glue stick jammed in the gun? Don't force it and break the trigger. Melt the end of a fresh glue stick, fuse it to the old one, and keep working smoothly. Stop paint cans from leaking. Cut a plastic bottle, slip it over the top, and shrink it tight with heat. Unscrew the cap to pour clean without making a sticky mess everywhere. Stop tangling extension cords. Wrap the cable in a quick knot over your support pipe. It keeps the cord totally secure and snag-free while you work. Organize messy straps in seconds flat. Lock 2 Allen keys into your power drill chuck. Catch the strap end between the keys, pull the trigger, and roll it up perfectly tight. Building heavy wooden framing on brick. Anchor metal brackets straight into the masonry. Align your 2/8 forge with the spirit level and drive heavy-duty lag screws through the brackets. This creates rock-solid, perfectly square framing joints that will last forever. Need clean corner trim joints? Mark 45-degree angle miter lines on your plastic trim channels. Snip along the guidelines carefully. Fold them inward and snap them onto your wooden post seamlessly. Make a heavy-duty pipe hanger. Slice a PVC pipe section and snap it over a main line. Slide your secondary pipe into the clip for a clean, tool-free plumbing setup.